Outdoor grills are essential for anyone who enjoys cooking and entertaining outdoors, offering the perfect way to create delicious meals with that distinct smoky flavor. Whether you're hosting a barbecue or just enjoying a family meal, the right grill enhances your cooking experience by providing even heat distribution and versatile grilling options. Investing in a high-quality outdoor grill means better tasting food and memorable outdoor gatherings. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 outdoor grills that you need for mastering backyard barbecues and elevating your outdoor cooking game. So, let's find your perfect match. Number 5. Introducing the PK Grill's PK300BCX Charcoal Grill and Smoker. It offers the perfect blend of classic design and modern features. Crafted from cast aluminum, it ensures excellent heat retention and distribution for consistent cooking. Its dual functionality allows it to excel both as a grill and a smoker, catering to all cooking styles, whether you're searing at high heat or smoking low and slow. This grill's ergonomic handles and custom aluminum wheels with rubber tires make it easy to maneuver, while the increased cooking height makes it more comfortable to use. The PK300BCX also includes a revolutionary radial vent system with hash marks, giving you precise control over airflow and temperature. The enhanced lid seal improves heat retention, allowing for more efficient cooking. The cooking grid has been redesigned with a hinged system for easier charcoal management and even heat distribution. The grill also features a new ash management system for quicker, simpler cleanup. Plus, with its rugged, rust-proof aluminum capsule. Conveniently, the grill offers increased shelf space for preparation and storage, along with a built-in temperature probe access point for more accurate cooking. The cart structure is incredibly durable, and for those looking for additional space, an optional bottom storage bin is available. The PK300BCX promises exceptional grilling performance, whether you're cooking for a large group or just for yourself. If you're interested in purchasing this grill, check the link in the description to learn more and get your own PK300BCX today. Number 4. Introducing the Monument Denali 605 Gas Grill, designed for efficiency and packed with smart features. It's powered by 4 main burners and a side burner, offering 60,000 BTUs of cooking power. With 725 square inches of cooking space, you'll have plenty of room for large gatherings. The grill includes reversible cooking grates, one side for smoking and the other for searing, along with a top warming rack perfect for hanging chicken legs. The Denali also comes equipped with an LED display that shows the internal temperature, taking the guesswork out of grilling. The viewing window on the lid lets you keep an eye on your food without losing heat, while the side burner adds convenience for preparing sauces and sides simultaneously. Smart features set this grill apart, with Bluetooth connectivity through the Monument Grills app. Monitor grill and meat temperatures, set alarms, and manage timers from your phone. 2 meat probe ports allow for precise cooking, while the LED knobs add an extra touch of convenience, changing colors to indicate temperature. Plus, the grill includes a USB-C port for powering small devices, though it runs on AA batteries, so you might want to keep extras on hand. Built to last, the grill has a sturdy construction, though some plastic elements like the casters and side table edges might not hold up under frequent moving. If you plan to keep it stationary, it should serve you well. For added versatility, Monument Grills offers a range of accessories like a smoker box and rotisserie kit. If this grill sounds like the right fit for you, be sure to check the link in the description to purchase the Monument Denali 605 Gas Grill today. Number 3. Introducing the Weber Genesis E325S, designed for convenience and performance. Its sleek exterior features a built-in storage cabinet, perfect for tucking away the propane tank and keeping grilling accessories within reach. The side tables provide plenty of prep space, while the 4 lockable wheels ensure mobility and stability once you've found the perfect spot for grilling. This grill packs a punch with 3 burners delivering 39,000 BTUs of heat, and a dedicated sear zone with 13,000 BTUs for perfectly seared steaks. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates retain heat exceptionally well and are easy to clean after each use. With a total cooking area of 531 square inches, including a 128 square inch warming rack, the Genesis E325S provides ample room to cook a variety of meals simultaneously. Whether you're grilling steaks at 500 degrees for a steakhouse quality sear or slow cooking chicken at 350 degrees for even, golden results, this grill delivers consistent performance. The ample space between burners allows for indirect grilling, while the warming rack keeps food hot without overcooking. Cleaning is easy with Weber's efficient grease management system. The drip tray, with its disposable liner, makes cleanup simple, while the enameled grates are easily brushed clean after cooking. With the built-in thermometer and propane tank gauge, you'll always be in control. This grill heats up in just 5 minutes, so you can get grilling fast. Interested in the Weber Genesis E325S? Check the link in the description to purchase it today. Number 2. Introducing the Traeger Ironwood 885 Pellet Grill, built for serious outdoor cooking enthusiasts. This grill boasts an impressive 885 square inches of cooking space with 2 porcelain-coated steel grates, perfect for large meals and versatile cooking styles. Its robust design includes heavy-duty, powder-coated steel construction and welded joints, offering stability and durability for years of use. With a 20-pound wood pellet hopper and a convenient clean-out system, switching between different pellet flavors is a breeze. The trapdoor feature allows you to easily dump and refill pellets, ensuring the perfect smoke flavor for every meal. Equipped with the D2 direct drive system, the Ironwood 885 ensures precise temperature control, ranging from 165 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with 5-degree increments. The grill's TRU convection system creates a vortex of heat and smoke, providing consistent cooking temperatures and even heating across the entire cooking surface. The double-wall insulation helps maintain steady heat, even in challenging weather conditions. One standout feature is the grill's smart functionality through the Traeger app. Wi-Fi technology lets you control and monitor the grill remotely, adjusting temperatures, timers, and even accessing Traeger's extensive recipe library. You'll also get notifications when your food is ready, making it incredibly convenient for multitasking during cookouts. Whether you're searing steaks or slow smoking pork, the Traeger Ironwood 885 delivers consistent, flavorful results every time. Interested in this grill? You'll find the link in the description to purchase the Traeger Ironwood 885 today. Number 1. Introducing the Kamado KJ23 RHC Charcoal Grill. If you're looking for a versatile, high-performance charcoal grill, this grill is a game-changer in outdoor cooking. Kamado has taken an ancient cooking method, dating back over 3,000 years, and transformed it into a modern-day grilling experience that's both easy and enjoyable. The heavy ceramic design is not only stunning but also holds heat exceptionally well, allowing for efficient cooking whether you're smoking at low temperatures or searing at high heat. With its advanced air vent system, you have total control over the temperature. The bottom vent allows for broader temperature shifts, while the top vent lets you fine-tune the heat by smaller increments. This control is ideal for slow-cooking ribs or quickly grilling pizzas. On both ends of the spectrum, smoking ribs at a steady 250 degrees for 4 hours and cooking pizzas at 600 degrees for a beautifully crisp, smoky finish. Even in freezing temperatures, the grill held its heat perfectly, which is a testament to its impressive insulation. The Kamado is not only about performance, but also about convenience. It's smartly designed. Divide and conquer cooking system lets you adjust the cooking surface height, making it easy to switch between direct and indirect heat. Plus, the easy-to-use sash drawer makes cleanup a breeze, eliminating the need for messy raking. Its spring-loaded hinge also makes lifting the heavy ceramic lid effortless, a real advantage over other grills in the same category. The amp firebox, with its patent-pending 6-piece design, eliminates the risk of breakage and enhances the overall efficiency of the grill. This advanced system ensures better heat retention and longevity, giving you more consistent grilling results. For anyone who loves grilling and smoking meats, this is an investment worth making. If you're interested in purchasing the Kamado KJ23 RHC Charcoal Grill, check the link in the description below. You won't regret it. Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Let us know which product review you'd like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thump this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.